a simple but effective way to conceal the little gaps around woodwork and heating pipes. Take some normal printer paper, copy paper, white, and cut a small square. And what we're going to do is we're going to fit it around the pipe like that. Once you've cut the little circle to fit around the pipe, test fit it, make sure that it's nice and snug, and then take it back off again. And what we're going to do next is we're going to paint the surface underneath. And once you've smoothed it with your finger, get your paintbrush. I'm using a gloss paint, water-based gloss paint, and then just smooth it round. And what you'll find is it will go tight as it dries out and make a very good seal. Just touch up any little bits, and that's the job done.